Hello everyone, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome back to Weekly Market Watch. So I bring in highlights of the previous week and what to expect for the next one. Now, before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. Nifty started off the week with some profit booking at the higher zones, but bulls have been mature to buy any minor dips. After the budget announcements, the volatility cooled off to even lower levels and comforted the bulls for buying at support zones. Bullish stance to continue for Nifty with smart recovery till the time it remains above 24,500. The next move can be seen towards 24,850 zones with a support of 24,200. Bank Nifty has been underperforming from the last 2 weeks and momentum is clearly missing in this rate-sensitive index. It is witnessing selling pressure earlier this week, but now 50,850 will become a key level. A hold above it would gain momentum towards 51,250 and 51,500 with a support of 50,250. Now stocks to keep on radar. Upside may be capped in some sectors because of the weak global cues, but sustained buying on decline could continue to keep the stock-specific action in the market. Now, stocks to keep on radar are from the IT, pharma, FMCG and auto pack, which looks quite promising, while some underperformance may continue to be seen in the banking index. So this is it for this week. See you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.